In this video, we are going to learn how to go into the Sketcher environment in Siemens NX. So let's start. First of all, when you are going to open the Siemens NX, you will get an interface like this. Now you just have to go to the ribbon. This is set to be as ribbon. This is quick access toolbar. This is resource bar options. Here you will get the resource bar options, and here you will get the part navigator once you land to the sketch environment or the into the part. And this is the status bar. It will inform you about the status of the command running in the Siemens NX. Now let's go to the new, as we have to go to the new to create a new part. So just click on new. After that, you will get a dialog options like this, and here the name, like we have to go to the model, like it will ask the user that what you want to have, like model, assembly, shape studio, sheet metal, flexible printed circuit designs, or blank. So we are going to choose the model as we are going into the part modeling. Then here is the types, like what type it is. So it is modeling, and here we have the units. Then we have the relationships, standalone. We will do talk about in depth later on about this, that what is relationship. Let's come to the units. So it will ask that what units you want to have, like inches, all. So these are the options available in the units of the part modeling. So currently you have seen that this is my folder, which is drive D YouTube NX. So you can change the drive from here. Just click on here, and once you get the window of choose directory, you can choose the directory from here. So like this is how we can choose the directory. Like if I just click on this freelance, then okay. So it will reflect the changes here. But I have just closed that. That's why it is not showing the changes. So this is how you can choose the directory. After that, here we can choose the model name, that like this is the very first video of the sketcher. So I'm going to give it as sketch 1 and hit enter. So we will get the window like this. Here is the part name, like sketch1.prt, and on the top of this, like here, you can see that it is written as NX modeling. So it means that currently we are into the modeling environment of Siemens NX. Now you can see the part navigator has been activated, which I have told you earlier, that once we land into the modeling, the part navigator will come here. Okay, now let's go to the sketch. So just click on sketch in the ribbon. This is ribbon. So here we have to just click on sketch, and it will ask us for the plane. Like here we have the three planes, right, front, and top. Now here are the three axes. Like you can see, red one is the X, green one is Y, and blue one is Z. So similarly, we have to focus on the axis as well. Like if I just click on top, so my Z axis is perpendicular to the XY, and it is coming in outward direction. So our main focus should be that Z axis should always in the outward direction. Like if I just click on front plane, like let me choose this, just reset this. You can reset this command from here. Like here we have the reset option, and we have to click on front. Now you can see the blue axis is coming out, which is the Z axis. So when I click on OK, it will come like this. So this is how we can reach to the sketcher environment. Now just click on finish if you want to go out to the sketch. So this is how we can create the new part, along with we can go into the sketching. This is all in this video. I hope you have enjoyed the learnings of this tutorial. Please do like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.